Good morning, good morning, good morning, beautiful people. How are you? Come on in, come on in, come on in. How are you today? Today I just wanted to recite a poetic meditation because there's been so much going on in the world and even in myself. Just to slow things down a bit and to just let my mind and my body be at peace with everything. So I wanted to recite, and I do not own the rights to this music. In every aspect of life, you are winning. This is the first day of the beginning of dreams manifesting, and answered prayers turn to blessings, appearing out of nowhere. Be prepared for what you ask for, my sisters and brothers, because you will now receive exceedingly and abundantly, and it's all in what you believe. You will receive increase in favor. You will no longer be a slave to your debt. No longer will you be a slave to your jobs. No longer will you be a slave to people who's helped you along the way, but now have disengaged themselves from you because they see the light that's shining from you, and because you have been going through a storm. No longer will you hold on to ill feelings and believe that now you can do all things through Christ which strengthens you. So I advise you to live your dreams. No matter how hard it seems, God will guide you. So I just wanted to come on and recite that to you. Remember to live your dreams. I don't know how long you guys have been on, but I thank you and I wish many blessings upon you.